Hello and welcome to How to Use Multiple Safe Lists and Stay Organized. For those of you that don't know me, my name's Celia Clark. I've been an online marketing and email marketing veteran of the email marketing and online marketing, not of the armed services, just for clarity. Didn't want to insult any service members out there, and thank you for your service, by the way. But back from my segue, I'm going to reel myself back in. And today I'm going to be showing you again how to use multiple safe lists and stay organized. Now, the multiple safe lists, once you do find safe lists out there online, if you were to Google it, you look up safe lists, one word, or safe list, two words, or another term for them is called viral mailers. So these are all basically the same base platform and same base function. If you do not know about safe lists, please feel free to go to my other videos that you may be watching somewhere. If this is on YouTube, if not, feel free to look me up on YouTube and go watch some more videos to familiarize yourself with safe lists. So the particular safe list I'm using today is Web's Best Mailer. This is a safe list that is owned and operated by a Mr. Matthew Graves out of, I believe, Canada. And I like to use this as an example because this just shows the power of free. Now I'm going to expand upon that a little bit and let you know that I have joined Mr. Graves' mailers as they've come out over the last 3 years. And with the last 3 years worth of use, due to my activity on the sites, reading mails, and joining his other mailers, you get bonuses like free credits, free solo ads for joining, his next mailers. So all in all, to sum it up, it's super cool because I have been running my ads and using extra credits and using the free solos to get lots and lots of traffic to my primary business for the past 3 years since I discovered them and have been using them. So now what I did inside here is I queued my email to go out to advertise my primary business. And since it is networked, since Mr. Graves's sites are networked, they're all connected together. These are some of his other mailers. And as you can see, when you get your mail ready to send, it offers an opportunity to send it at the other mailers. Now, I don't personally do that because I don't like them being all sent out in one batch. I would rather do them one at a time so that the email gods know that it's a real person sending it. So when you stagger your time and you stagger your sends, it looks like a real person and it'll increase your chances of deliverability into the inbox. So now back on using multiple safe lists. If I want to use multiple safe lists, and since they're all linked here and I don't want to have to go back through my email and email filter searching for them, what I do, being lazy bones, is I go to a Google tab and I just take this, copy this. And if you don't know how to copy and paste, I have other videos on YouTube that you can learn how to do that. So I copied the name of the mailer. One thing that aggravates me about these is it really should be linked right there so that you can just hop to it. But what I do is I just go to a new address bar and search bar in Google or whatever you use, and then I'm going to go just paste. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to hit space. Now you're going to automatically go back to the previous tab of your mailer, unclick that, and as you can see, I've done it for other ones. These ones don't have enough credits right now. I'm going to have to read some more. Click for some more credits. Now this one has a healthy amount of credits. I'm interested in sending to this next. So I'm staying organized basically by copying and pasting into a web address bar. So you just paste and so I unclick that because I don't want it sent at the same time because it stacks them and screws, excuse my language, our chances of good deliverability. Oh, look, traffic ad genius. That's got 1,000 or so. So what I'm going to do is highlight that, copy, and paste. Now remember, just paste. Don't paste and go or any of that craziness. And web traffic. Oh, we get a bunch of well-fed mailers today. Ooh, it's going to be good stuff. All right. Copy here and paste. And you can tell this is all run together, but if you're the one that's doing it and you're the one that's copying it and pasting it into the address bar, you'll obviously be able to remember which are which by the titles, even if you read them in one line. So back, unclick that. These other two do not have enough. And there we go. That one's not quite enough. So as you can see, I am going down through the mailers real quick. I found a couple of nice ones that are well fed and need to be mailed to next. And to just give you an idea, it is imperative to have be very well organized for Safelists and mailers. Otherwise, you will get landslided. If you're only one person, you can only do so much in the 24 hours in the day that we're all given. So this is one way to stay organized so you don't have to sift down through these or go back to your email inbox wherever you signed up to one of these safe lists. You will always get messages from them. So rather than filtering through a bunch of those if I'm feeling lazy, this is how I use multiple safe lists and stay organized. Well, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your attendance today. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out here in the comments section. Catch me on the old book, whatever you like. And don't forget to mash all those buttons that make this channel happy. And if you're not tired of hearing my voice, mash that button so you know about new videos. And until we speak again, be yourself, help others, and never quit. Bye.